In this video, we'll explore how Referrizer can help businesses achieve their lead generation goals. Lead generation is the process of attracting new customers, and Referrizer has several powerful tools designed to make this easier and more effective. Let's break down 4 key strategies that can help your business attract new leads and turn them into loyal paying customers using Referrizer's features. The first and most straightforward way to generate leads is through special offers aimed at new customers. Referrizer makes it easy to create and promote offers specifically designed to attract first-time visitors. So this is how it works in Referrizer. You can create either a claim for free or buy now offer, for example, a free first session or a discounted price on a service. The goal is to engage first-time visitors to try your business without a significant commitment. So a free offer can be, for example, a free first class, while the discount offer can be 50% off their first visit or their first month. These offers can be shared on the website widget or through campaigns, targeting potential clients who haven't visited yet. The idea is to get people interested in trying out your business without the incentive of a special offer. Referrizer allows you to track how many new clients have claimed these offers, so you can analyze which offers works best for your audience and optimize them over time. You can even view reports to check the specifics of each offer. Another powerful method for lead generation in Referrizer is through referral offers. Referral programs use the power of your existing customers to bring in new leads. When your current customer refers someone, both they and their friend receive a reward. Once your current customers check in at your business, they will receive a referral link via text that they can share with friends and family. This is the link that they will receive, and it will look like this. Sharing the offer is super simple. They just have to click anywhere on this little box that is linked, and they will have different options to share this offer with their friends. Referrizer tracks all referrals, so you can see who is referring others and how many new leads are coming in. You can reward customers automatically when their friends claim the offer. This incentivizes customers to spread the word about your business. A great way to promote your lead generation offer is by using the website widget. The widget is a powerful tool that can help attract potential clients directly from your website, where they can view and claim the offer. You can embed the Referrizer website widget on your website. The widget displays current special offers or lead gen promotions right on your website, allowing visitors to easily claim the offer without leaving the page. Once a potential lead visits your website and sees your lead gen offer, like a free first class or a new client special fall sale 50% off, like in this example, you ensure that leads constantly see the offer. They can claim the offer directly from the widget by entering their contact information. You can also place the widget in high visibility areas on your website, like the home page. And by doing this, you ensure that leads constantly see the offer and can act on it. Every time a visitor claims the offer, their contact details are automatically added to your Referrizer account for easy follow-up, which you can check by going to the dashboard and clicking on Offers Claimed. Another great way to get new clients to come in is by creating specific loyalty reward programs that will encourage current customers to invite their friends for specific rewards. For example, invite a friend over for a free class, um, or invite a friend over and get both of you get 50% off next month. This type of offer is geared toward converting new leads into repeat customers while also engaging with your current ones and keeping them satisfied. It's a win-win situation for both of them. To sum it up, Referrizer offers several ways to generate leads effectively. Number one is you can have lead gen offers, create compelling offers to attract new customers. The referral program, you can leverage existing customers to bring in new leads with easy sharing options. The website widget, which promotes offers directly on your website to capture leads as they browse. And with the loyalty program, you can incentivize customers to bring in friends and return for future visits. Each of these methods can be fully automated in Referrizer, saving you time while ensuring that new leads are nurtured and turned into long-term customers.